Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I welcome you once again to our online classes. I am your study teacher. We are starting chapter 2. My hope, your hope. My hope may be apt to me only, but it may not be perfect to another one. This is an interesting story about two mice. A country mouse and a city mouse. Anyway, once upon a time, there was a mouse called Misty. He lived in a country. Country means away from the town. And one day, his friend Mickey came to visit him from the town. He was living in the town. Misty gave him cauliflower and grains to eat. Mickey was surprised. Mickey said, "You do not eat well. I am eating such nice things there. I have all sort of nice things to eat in my house. You come to my house. You visit me. Can see that." So after some days, our poor Misty went to the town. It was a very big house. Mickey took him to the kitchen cupboard. On the lowest cupboard, there was a big bag of brown sugar. Brown sugar means refined sugar. Mickey made a hole on the bag and they nibbled and nibbled the brown sugar. Nibbled means eat by small bits. Misty thought, what a delicious food this one. He was not eaten such a food at any time. So he speedily ate brown sugar. Then the door opened. They became afraid. Run, Mickey said. Misty ran after the mouse to a little hole. He was shivering with fever. Like a fever boy, he shivered and afraid. Mickey whispered, "That door opened. Somebody is coming." The cook, Mary, entered the room and took some flour from the cupboard and returned. Then Mickey took Misty to the kitchen cupboard once again. Now Mickey took him to the top shelf. There was a jar of raisins. Raisins means dried grapes. Mickey made a hole there and they nibbled and nibbled. It was very tasty. Misty ate as fast as he could. Then they heard a sound on the door. Sound at the door. A scratching sound. And a loud meow. Run, Mickey told Misty. They ran to the hole. Ran into the hole. Now poor Misty was afraid. They sat there silently. Then Mickey said, "It was the old grey cat, Bella. She was the best mouser in the town." Mouser means mouse-eating animal. Poor Misty was frightened. After some time, Mickey took him to the Cellar. Cellar means underground room. There is an underground room. They entered the room. There were some cupboards are there. Some cupboards are there. Raisins, sugar, butter, jams, spicy pickles, etc. are there. Misty looked around. Then he saw a piece of cheese on a stand. He saw a piece of cheese on a stand in the corner. He looked at it and tried to eat it. Then Mickey cried, "Stop! Don't touch us! That is a trap!" Poor Misty was feared. "What is a trap?" He asked, "What is a trap?" Then Mickey told, "The moment you touch the cheese, something come down on your head and you are dead. That is a trap." Now, poor Misty was shaking. He looked at Mickey and the trap. Then once again he looked Mickey and the trap. He stood silently. After some time, he told Mickey that, "I think I will go to my country house. Here are most delicious things to eat. It was very nice, but I don't want to be frightened to death at all times. So, I want to return to my country house." Next moment, our Misty returned to his country house and led a peaceful life there. Have you got the topic? Thank you.